Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Madras ENT Research Foundation performs 100th Paediatric Auditory Brainstem Implant, marking a breakthrough in auditory neuropathy care, under the leadership of Professor Dr. Mohan Kameshwaran, Managing Director and Consultant ENT Surgeon of MERF.
I am Dr. Mohan Kameshwaran. I am the Senior Consultant and Director of Madras ENT Research Foundation in Chennai. And today we had a press meet to highlight two important milestones. Madras ENT Research Foundation, along with the ALNC at VHS and MERF Institute of Speech and Hearing. Today we were very proud to mark the milestone of having crossed 100 auditory brainstem implants. Now these are very highly specialized surgery which are done in children who have lost hearing or who are born without hearing and cannot receive a cochlear implant because either the inner ear is not developed or the nerve of hearing is not developed. Majority of the children who are born deaf, 95% of them receive a cochlear implant because the problem is in the inner ear. But this small group of children have no inner ear at all at birth. So for them we cannot put a cochlear implant, and we go to the brain, area of the brain which is concerned with hearing, and put an implant there. This is a combined work of ENT and neurosurgeons, and we have now done 100, which is one of the largest numbers in the world, if not the largest number. And we are very proud to say that these children are doing very well. Today we had one child here from Andhra who was the mother. The child is going to a normal school. So this is the miracle of science, modern science. So somebody without an inner ear, without a nerve of hearing, still hearing and developing speech and language due to an auditory brainstem implant. The second part which we talked about was the cochlear implant. Madras ENT Research Foundation is one of the largest implant centers in the world with more than 5,000 implants. And we are now embarking on the next phase of what is known as hearing structure preservation. That is, we are doing cochlear implants while preserving the hearing, any residual hearing in the cochlea. This is a huge challenge because this is a very delicate organ, and we have been able to put the implant in and preserve the hearing through very specialized surgical techniques. We have done that now in 5 patients. So that they can use both natural hearing in some frequencies and can use what we call electronic hearing or electrical hearing with the cochlear implant in areas where they cannot hear, those frequencies they cannot hear. So it's a merging of two different types of hearing in the brain, and the people can do very well with that. There are distinct advantages in that, like music appreciation, for example. But these are very highly skilled work which are done in very, very few centers in the world, and we are very happy that it's been happening in Chennai. Thank you.